If you have ever wondered what it would be like to wake up to the smell of fresh bread without stepping outside your home, this might be the machine that changes your kitchen routine. Today, we are taking a closer look at the EUHOMY 25-in-1 bread maker machine. If you're interested, make sure to check the product link in the description for the latest price and availability. Overview and check product link in description. The EUHOMY 25-in-1 bread maker machine is designed for beginners as well as home baking enthusiasts who want variety without complexity. With a 2-pound capacity and a compact stainless steel body in a silvery and black finish, it fits nicely on most countertops while still offering generous baking space. It promises to handle everything from kneading to rising to baking with minimal effort from you. Just add ingredients, choose a program, and let the machine take control. Key features. This model stands out with its 25 automatic programs. It can prepare basic bread, whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free options, and even French-style loaves. Beyond bread, it can also make yogurt and jam, and it works as a dough maker for pizza or rolls. A customizable program allows you to adjust kneading, rising, and warming times for more control over texture and flavor. The 2-pound capacity supports 3 loaf sizes, including 1 pound, 1.5 pound, and 2-pound options. You can also choose between light, medium, or dark crest shades. An insulated handle and quick-release pan design make removal simple and safer. One of the most interesting additions is the automatic fruit and nut dispenser, plus a dedicated yeast dispenser. These release ingredients at the right moment, which can help achieve even distribution without manual timing. The 650-watt heating element supports even baking, while the quiet motor operates at about 55 decibels. A 13-hour delay timer, 1-hour keep warm function, and short power outage memory feature add flexibility to busy schedules. Performance. On paper, the performance promises convenience and consistency. The powerful heating element is built to deliver even browning and a soft interior. The automatic ingredient dispensers reduce guesswork, which may improve results for beginners. The digital control panel appears straightforward, making it easier to select settings accurately. Since it includes a recipe book and accessories like an oven mitt, measuring tools, and a hook, it seems ready to use right out of the box. The non-stick pan and dishwasher-safe components suggest easier cleaning after baking sessions. Pros and cons. The biggest advantages include the wide range of programs, large capacity, customizable cycle, and automatic ingredient dispensers. The quiet operation and delay timer are helpful for early morning or late night baking. The stainless steel exterior gives it a modern look. On the downside, the machine weighs over 10 pounds, so it may not be ideal for frequent moving. With many program choices, beginners might need a short learning period to understand which setting works best for their favorite recipes. Final verdict. Overall, the EUHOMY 25-in-1 bread maker machine appears to offer strong value for anyone who wants fresh homemade bread with less effort. The combination of versatility, thoughtful design, and user-friendly controls makes it appealing for families and new bakers alike. If you are thinking about upgrading your kitchen with a reliable bread maker, this one is worth considering. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to check link in the description below.